Hello. Hi again. I just want to come stop by and do this quick review on the Dr.Sebi cell food product that I'm using. I'm using the Estro, and I'm using the Estro for just to try and regulate my menstruation, which is irregular. In my previous video, I talk about why I started taking Dr.Sebi cell food. If you want to hear more about that, you can actually go back and look at my next video. I have mentioned that I was going to stop by and do a quick review after a few days of taking Dr.Sebi product. So today is actually 8 days since I'm taking Dr.Sebi cell product, the Estro. Again, as I say, it's to help regulate my menstruation. So it's now 8 days, and I'm just going to tell you some of the changes that I noticed, and that can be because of the product and also because I take a lot of water. I use a lot of spring water, so every single day I have a liter of water per day, along with Dr.Sebi pill, and also with my nutrition. I eat more alkaline food because I'm trying to do the whole alkaline diet while taking the product, just to see what result I will have by the time I finish this bottle of pills. So the first thing I want to say that I start taking the bottle. It recommend that you take 4 pills. It recommend that you take 4 pills per day. So I was taking 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. I know I saw some people saying that they take all 4, but I didn't do that. I take 2 in the morning and I take 2 in the evening. However, on the 4th day, I try taking 4 pills one time in the morning so I don't have to worry about it again at night. And it did not work very well for me. I think it was too much at once because my body, I felt so restless. I felt like really bloated after taking 4 pills at once. I felt bloated, so I'm not going to do that again. So I went back and started taking it as regular 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening, and that worked for me. Now, saying that, I make note of the changes that I see. Before I start taking the Dr.Sebi Estro cell food, I had a problem with acne. After I've been diagnosed with PCOS, it was acne. I had an acne breakout on both sides of my face. And as you can see now, there's nothing on my face. Second thing that I noticed that I was experiencing, I was having hair growth. So I was having hair growth right here on these 2 spots under my chin. And I had to pluck my hair, tweeze my hair at least every 3 days because it was coming out so visible right here. But it was like, one here, like that. So since I'm taking the Estro, I noticed that the hair growth is very minimal. And I truly believe it's because of the Estro. I believe that it's actually working because the hair was minimal. The third thing that I had hated so much, I had like a pink fuzz, dark circle right around my lip area and my bottom lip, my top lip, right around. And it was so annoying. I had to use makeup to cover it up. Now I noticed on the 5th day, I woke up and I looked in the mirror, went to the bathroom, looked in the mirror, and literally I saw the fuzziness was really minimal, was really little. So I was watching it and I said, oh my God, I think something is happening since I'm using this. And as I said, I drink a lot of water. I drink a liter of water per day, spring water. Right now I'm actually going to go to the grocery store and get some spring water so I can fill my bottle because I haven't used it for the morning because I ran out of it yesterday. So yeah, that dark spot, as you can see, look, you can still see like a little spot from the pimple, but as you can see, actually it's really clear. You can slightly see a little dark area still here, but not as visible as it was before. So I know it's the product. I know that it actually minimal. It was really dark. Now it is dark still, but minimal. You know, it's not that noticeable like how it was before. So yeah, I just working. I think it's working because minimal hair growth I'm experiencing, and the dark spot is actually clearing up. All I do is drink water and use Dr.Sebi Estro. I think it is working, and I will definitely come back and this first bottle. I will be doing a next review if the spot is completely gone or if my period have been regulated. So I would definitely keep you guys posted of my changes and my progress. But overall, I am pretty happy. I'm pretty happy with the result. I also incorporate my exercise and I eat well. So I'm sure that make a lot of difference, because I also, now when I go to the grocery store, I make my shopping list based on Dr.Sebi recommended food. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, I just want to share that with you, and hope that you are doing well also, and I hope that you are taking control of your health. I hope that you're taking control of your whatever health issues you have, and I hope that you're being encouraged by my video, because I know it's not easy when you hear PCOS, and it's really a pandemic among women. And you know, as women, I just know that we all can encourage one another and get through this whole dilemma of, you know, PCOS, fibroid, and all these other things that affect. Be encouraged, you know, and give me a thumbs up or like this video or subscribe to my channel. You will know when I post other video. Again, I'm just going to say thank you for watching, and peace out. All the best. And stay fit. You can do it.